Welcome to Edu's X. So today's topic is why can't we feel Earth's spin? We all know that Earth spins on its axis once in every day, that is 24 hours. At its equator, the speed of Earth's spin is about 1600 km per hour. The day and night comes because of this spin. But we don't feel the spin. Why? While you are traveling in a jet aeroplane, which is moving at a speed of 800 km per hour, you don't feel like you are moving at all. And when the air hostess serves you food and coffee, it won't spill or fly away. This is because you, air hostess, the food plate, and the coffee are all moving at the same speed of the plane. As long you move at a constant speed, you will not feel the movement. It appears for you as if you are sitting stationary. The same thing is applicable to us on the earth, and so we are not feeling the spin of the earth. Let us see some physics behind that. Now you apply Newton's second law, which states that force is a product of mass into acceleration. This implies that in order to change the acceleration, we need to apply a force. More force, more acceleration, and less force, less acceleration. So it implies if the applied force is zero, it is clear that acceleration is also zero. This doesn't mean velocity is equal to zero. How is it? From the same Newton's second law, we can write mathematically F is equal to m into a, where m is for mass and a is for acceleration. Acceleration is nothing but change of velocity with time, and that is mathematically written as dv by dt. So we write m into dv by dt. If f is equal to 0, then this equation becomes 0 is equal to m into dv by dt. As we all know, there will not be any body with zero mass. Therefore, m cannot be equal to 0, and hence dv by dt is equal to 0. The simple calculus says that the differentiation of a variable, if the answer is equal to 0, then it is not a variable, then it is a constant. Therefore, the velocity is a constant. So, from this equation, we conclude that we can feel the movement only when we are sitting in a vehicle which has acceleration. That is, its velocity changes with time. If we are sitting in a non-accelerating vehicle, that is a vehicle moving with constant velocity, like a jet plane, we will not feel like moving, and it seems to be stationary. Since Earth is spinning with a constant velocity, we are not feeling as if the Earth is spinning about its axis. Now an interesting question. What happens if the Earth stops spinning? The atmosphere would still be in motion with Earth's original 1650 km per hour rotation. That is its speed at the equator. So the atmosphere will be fast moving. All the land masses would be scored clean off anything not attached to bedrock. This means rocks, topsoil, trees, buildings, your pet dog, and so on would be swept away into the atmosphere. If it stopped spinning completely, then half of the year will be daylight and half of the year will be completely night. During daytime for 6 months, you will feel scorching heat, and for the next 6 months, which is completely night, you will feel freezing cold. Oh, no, don't worry. This won't happen at least for next few billion years. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.